Hey guys, so today we're making a video. So we are making pancakes. Guys, please subscribe this channel before you watch the video. Oh, no, I'm still talking. You're going to Vela after. Don't be dramatic.
Yeah, your English.
Don't be dramatic. So guys, here's my family.
I have not bought soon, please.
So here's my baby brother. She's running. So here is my sister's mom. Say hey guys. We're making pancakes today, guys. So
Wait, let me put it here.
we're going to make a video. Now we're talking.
So
Guys, we're making a.
take one of and pour here. Oh my God.
You just take one
Cup
cup of flour.
It's supposed to be 2. Take another one.
2.
Wait.
Guys, when we're done, we're going to put some eggs.
Wait, not yet, Kalo. 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yes. Wait. 2 of these baking powder. 1 and 2.
Then
Wait. And 3 spoons of sugar.
3 spoons of sugar.
Ooh, where's my spoon? I will, darling. So we're going to take one of this. It equals to what? To 3 spoons of the normal spoon. So I use the big one. There you go. And you take what? And you take eggs.
You take eggs now.
Yes.
Of it. So we take some eggs, put them
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Yes.
When we're done, I'll mix them.
Wait, not yet, Panini. And you take 2 cups of milk.
Then you take 2 cups of milk.
Milk. 1 cup. And you pour.
About poster.
She will.
It's a light. Now it's a light. It's a light.
My favorite light.
Yes. And you take
And you
oil. A quarter cup of oil. Quarter cup of oil.
take quarter cup of oil.
Yes. No, not today, darling. But I posted how.
We posted it. Yeah, when it's a light.
Okay, shampoo.
Shampoo. When we're done,
And then you stir, but please don't spill, ne? Don't spill. Let me help you first. Then you mix everything together, right?
yes.
I'm gonna give you when it's soft. pause, ne?
So guys, my baby sister is mixing
Everything together.
everything together.
And then switch the stove on.
So
The third one.
this one.
Yes. Put it on 3. Yes. And then on your pan, you're going to spray with this. Let me shake it first.
On your pan, we're going to spray this and shake it first.
Show them, Galo, they don't say it properly.
Shake on your pan, put
Yes.
it like this and shake.
Yes. Let's
And then
go closer.
even the size.
Sharp.
That one was soft. No.
Look at the mascara.
That's a mascara.
Good on my bed. Pete. And then when it's all good, guys, it should look like this. The reason why we've got the masks on is because this thing, the spray coat, guys, I can't. I always have to put my mask on before I spray it. Sure. Right, Nema baby. Jessica. And then I'm going to add my mix to this so that it's easier for when I pour it to the pan.
I can't see my mask.
It's fine, I'll give you a new one.
Okay. You put. No, pause it off.
Yeah, you pour it, ne? Then we're going to put it to our pan.
Going to put it to our pan. So shiny.
Is it nice?
Wait 5 minutes, guys.
Why must
Five.
you wait? I think this can serve up to like 10 people, depending on how much each gets.